Welcome kids to Joe and Joey's Imagination Station, where we learn together, we play together, we explore together, and help each other. Welcome back to Joe and Joey's Imagination Station, kiddos. Today we'll be teaching you kiddos something new. What is it, you ask? Well, it's the word of the week for you kids. What's your word of the week?
I like words.
The word of the week is pumpkin! Yay! Pumpkins are large, round, orange fruit with lots of seeds used at Halloween. You can also use pumpkin in a sentence like this. We carved spooky faces into our pumpkins for Halloween. All right, kiddos, tell your parents the word you just learned from Joe and Joey. Pumpkin! If you liked our video, ask your parents to give us a like and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, kiddos! Be sure to check back again next week for the new word of